In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and look for Biometrics. Finally, you can tap on face recognition at the top. Then enter your current login method and tap on continue at the bottom. Remember to keep your face in frame, wait for 100% mark and follow all of the instructions from your screen. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!